Hey everybody, I'm Glenn.
I'm Xander.
And I'm Zach.
And together we are Fun King 3D, and today we're bringing you August's MakerBox. And this is actually not being released until October, and the box is really late, and I know it's really late. But the reason being is first of all, my wife ended up going in for pretty major surgery to have a 7-centimeter kidney stone removed, and that's right when the box showed up. When we got back, we didn't quite have time to film it, and then suddenly we got hit by lightning and it knocked all the power out. But the good news is now that's fixed. And now you can see us and it's great, and all of our electronics are back. So the lightning problem happens, and days later we have a hurricane coming. And it was a big one. And it was just blowing everything everywhere. And stuff was just crazy and we didn't have time.
Oh my god!
But luckily, the hurricane missed us, so we actually didn't get affected by that. And that all happened in the month of August. And then life just got busy, and we had to prepare for Earth. And so without further excuses, hey Zach, could you go get that MakerBox that the hurricane blew through? So now it's time to unbox the MakerBox. All right, everybody, so we are now actually going to open the August MakerBox with our official Fun King 3D knife provided by Tom Llama. You don't have to push so hard, just get it down into the groove there. There you go, perfect. They're always so rigid when they're new. Let's get this camera ready. We got nerds. Nerds. All right, so we gotta read this card, which was the one that we get every month, and it just talks about the different discounts and referrals and stuff. Which, speaking of referrals, there is a link in the description if you care to get a MakerBox. For us, it's not really a referral link; it just tracks how many we have sold.
A Capricorn sticker.
All right, so this is a announcing new premium 1.75 millimeter PLAs, and filament, and from Capricorn. It would help if I put my glasses on first. Now available on Amazon and in our web shop.
I'm going to read this one because it doesn't have a lot of words. This is the Filament tricolor PLA with the hot end temperature 200 to 220 and a bed temperature from none to 60. The speed isn't listed in the fan at 100%. Special loyalty filament for members who have subscribed for 8 or more months. Cool mix of 3 colors in one filament. Color will change based on nozzle direction and filament feed. And that's by Filament. So we got special filament.
Okay, I was wondering if you were just reading the words or if you were absorbing it. This actually says that it's a special loyalty filament for members who have subscribed for 8 months or more, which we definitely have subscribed for more than 8 months. But,
it's scary.
Filament is a really cool filament, and we've seen this 2 years ago at Murph, not 19 but 18. We seen Filament there and actually picked up some of their filament. It's not typical transition filament. Like, it doesn't go from one color to the next color to the next color. It's actually all the colors together like this. So as the plastic is laying down, if it's laying down this way, it's going to be one color. If it's laying down this way or this, it's going to be a different color.
Oh my god.
So it's really cool. And I don't know if the camera is doing that any justice, but I'll try to get a better close-up shot and put it in there. So, all right. Are you reading the next one, or am I reading the next one?
You read the next one.
I'll read the next one.
There's more words on that one.
Okay, so this is Polywood. Polywood. Hot end temperature of 190 to 210. Bed temperature of room to 60. Speed 30 to 50 millimeters per second. Cooling fan, absolutely. Polywood is a wood mimic filament without actual wood powder, which removes all risks of nozzle clogs. Polywood is made entirely with PLA using a special foaming technology. It exhibits the same density and appearance as wood. We might have to do like a Harry Potter wand. Pretty cool. So that is the Polywood
by Polymaker. You read this one and I'll read the next Capricorn.
High Flow Pro MG94 ABS Black. Hot end temperature 240 to 250. Bed temperature of 90 to 110 degrees. Fan speed. Speed not listed. Fan off or low. Enclosure and ventilation advised. Absolutely. When you're printing ABS, ventilation is important. The enclosure is important because, one, you want to keep the heat in so you don't get drafts, and two, it allows you to contain the nasty air that it produces. Made from ultra premium Sabic MG94 ABS resin. Reduced warp, very strong parts, excellent flow and layer adhesion. Prints at low temps, 240 to 250 Celsius ideal, and flows twice as much as traditional ABS. Excellent choice for fast and strong prints. Prints deep, dark, black. That's capitalized, by the way. And God. High gloss, also capitalized. My God, excellent high quality black pigment. Fully opaque on the first layer. So, amount 16 meters. And this is by Atomic Filament. Made in the USA. So, it's probably time that we try to legitimately print ABS. I've only ever printed ABS one time, and that was, we told me it was PLA. It was not.
I remember that. No.
That's you.
This is tricolor Durochromic lava PLA. With a hot end temperature of 190 to 220, bed temperature room to 60. The speed is not listed, and fan is just yes.
Well, that means that you want to have it on.
PLA that changes color with temperature between 31 and 45 Celsius. Objects are green at room temperature, then turn pink when held in hands, and yellow at higher temperatures. And this is Capricorn.
All right, let me.
So that's cool.
Throw that up on the detail camera.
It's just black.
It's just black.
And then it changes colors depending on temperature. Which is what I got from that.
At 31 and 45 degrees. Objects are green at room temperature and then turn pink. It is actually green. Really hard to see, but it's green. It is a very, very, very dark.
I see that.
And then if you Mr. Miyagi,
my hands are hot.
Yeah, it changed a little bit. You probably won't really be able to tell on camera. But
it might not be changing because it is in the bag, and it's disgusting. No, I'm just kidding.
I was just trying to make it hotter. You want to read that one, or you want me to read that one?
Too many words.
Too many words, and big words like biofusion.
That's a big word.
This is biofusion by Extruder. Hot end temperature 205 to 230 degrees Celsius. Bed temperature of 60 to 90 degrees. Speed of 60 to 90 millimeters per second. That's funny. The bed temperature is 60 to 90. The speed is 60 to 90. Cooling 30%. Extruder Biofusion is a new breed of excellent material best suited for designers and makers who are looking for an extra shiny appearance of their printed parts.
I like that.
It is very glittery,
it's cool.
Very metallic. It's cool. Besides the good and special looks, Biofusion is also stronger than standard PLA or PET, so you can also use it for mechanical parts. People claim that their PLA is stronger than everybody else's.
Yeah, so it's gonna eventually get to the point
I know
where
Parker
it's not.
was going to work on a test rig for us, but probably got. The temperature resistance of the material is up to 75 degrees Celsius, as it is very easy to print and doesn't require a heated bed or closed building chamber. Not much Experience is needed to get extraordinary results. Shine on. I like that.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
I'm looking forward to trying this one out.
So I'm wondering now that we got that 8th.
And that's extruder with no ER. It's just.
Now I'm wondering now that we got that, like they did the 8th month or longer thing, that they're gonna start doing that with more like different filaments like this, like the multicolored.
Yeah,
things.
yeah, they're gonna have more of a loyalty. So there's one more thing in the box, and it's actually kind of special, and we're actually gonna have to talk about it in the next episode. But
oh my goodness!
that would be September's box.
Oh my goodness!
So we'll take care of September's box in the next episode. If you like what we're doing, we would love for you to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for notifications.
How did this fit in there?
Well, it's magic. It's the MakerBox magic.
Oh my goodness.
A thumbs up is always appreciated as well. Again, if you don't get a MakerBox, do yourself a favor and get at least one. Give it a try. See if you like it. There's no obligation, you know, after you're one, you're allowed to cancel if you want to. You'd be crazy too, but
yeah,
hey, whatever.
Just like that
guy.
guy.
A great range of filaments that you probably wouldn't touch otherwise. Well, in fact, if you get the Explorer box, it will absolutely give you filaments that you would most likely, like 99.999%, never try anyway, because some of them are crazy expensive. In fact, we've gotten samples that were worth more than the box itself. So definitely check that out. If you're only a PLA printer, they do have an easy box, or you can get the everything box that comes with all of it.
Weird flex, but okay.
There is a link in the description to get yourself a MakerBox, and it is technically an affiliate link, but only for tracking purposes. MakerBox already takes care of us. So thank you guys. We look forward to seeing you in the next episode, which will be really, really soon. So until next time, as always, print on.